The hottest trend of this summer jelly nails tutorial in this video coming up. Jelly nails is definitely a trend this summer, and honestly I love it. It looks so cool and so bright, but there's one thing I don't like is the natural nail it can be seen through. So I think I found the solution and I will share it in this tutorial. For the decoration I will be using flat silver disco circles, Vetro crystal pink, and gel base by Cupa to secure the disco circles, non-white gel top coat by Valentino, and my favorite crystal katana pickup tool. I have a prepped nail and then I apply dehydrator and primer. And I will start with working on the nail bed. I'm using Valentino acrylic system and this color is Glamorous Nude. So I decided to close the area of the natural nail to make it look long and beautiful. Because most clients like this one, they have a regular nails, and I think it's much better when a see-through nail will look like an actual beautiful long oval-shaped nail bed. So basically I'm doing a reverse pink and white now, but the only difference is I do it slightly thinner. So I create the reverse smile line with this color, make sure it's symmetrical, and so basically I'm imitating the perfect natural nail beds right now. Then I will add another bead right here in the center, stretch it, and like usual near the cuticle I will be using semi-translucent pink. It's called Bear Me, it's by Valentino as well. And for the free edge I will be using clear. If you want to have this crystal clear look, you can take slightly more monomer than you usually do, and also try not to press too much, as when we press we get more bubbles and we don't want many air bubbles in this design, right? So try more like to pat, to stretch, and to smooth out the surface. I'm adding more clear to create the apex in the center, so now the nail will look even more transparent because we have clear on top of the cover pink. Now check if you have enough product on all sides, and if it's okay, then we can carefully remove the form. And as I prefer curved nails, I will slightly pinch it, and I'm using the special reverse pinching tool for a few minutes, and then I will file the nail, and I'm applying a gel base by Cupa. The reason I'm using base coat instead of the top coat is that base is much better for securing accessories. So I apply it and do not cure. You need to leave it wet so you can apply something on top, and using crystal katana tool is great not only for crystals but for other accessories as well. I decided to do one row of the flat silver circles, and then we need to cure them in LED. And to secure them better, you can also use the base and carefully apply it only on the row of the circles, cure it again, and now we're applying a crystal pink by Vetro. I already like this look, and you can apply only one layer to have a more like glass look, but with two layers it will be more intense, more pink. I think two layers are much better here. So this is a gel polish and we apply it as usual. Two layers I think are better for this color, and I'm applying it on other nails as well. As you can see, on one hand we decided to do a one row of silver flat circles and two rows on the other one. I'm sorry I missed some parts of this tutorial, is because this client was in a rush, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. I think this design is so simple but it looks so cool. When applying a color glass gel, make sure you apply an even layer. It is very important because if the color will not be intense, in some parts the nails will not be as bright as we were going to make them. So I apply the color, two coats on each nail, fully cure it in the lamp, and then I will be sealing it with Valentino top coat and cure it again for 1 minute in LED. And this is the result. I totally love this look, and it is even brighter in the real life. Let me guys know what do you think, and would you like to try these jelly nails? Thank you so much for watching. If this is first time on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post nail art tutorials and tricks every week. See you in my next video. Bye bye!